But first, why Governor Rick Scott has declared a state of emergency in the Florida Everglades. That's coming up right after the break. Downpours have hampered wildlife in the Florida Everglades. The water levels are so high, Governor Rick Scott has declared a state of emergency.
And we sent Local 10 News reporter Todd Tongan out to the Everglades to see it all firsthand.
That is a sound you don't hear very often in parts of the Everglades because the River of Grass is flooded. So bad, Governor Rick Scott declared an Everglades emergency, allowing the Department of Environmental Protection to take unprecedented measures to try and draw it down.
20 inches of rain from June the 1st to June the 8th. The Everglades raised dramatically 2 foot above normal operation.
FWC Commissioner Ron Bergeron took the media to a deer island to show us how high the water is and how deadly it can be for much of the native wildlife.
All of your fur-bearing animals, which you have coons and possums and rabbits and deer, bobcats and even panthers are in this region. This is their refuge in the rainy season.
This drone video shows how much water has made its way into the Everglades. Areas normally a few inches deep are a few feet deep. So gates and levees that normally are never open are wide open, hoping to draw down the water and avoid a massive wildlife kill like we saw in 1994.
The danger is we have 16 endangered species that live in the Everglades out here.
There are literally hundreds of what they call deer islands out here that were built by the Indians thousands of years ago. This one happens to be one of the highest, and it is 3/4 underwater.
To illustrate, Bergeron and FWC officials even got into the water up to their chest. They say normally it would be at their knees. Finally, recreational activities have been suspended in certain areas, so wildlife seeking refuge isn't stressed out. In the Florida Everglades, Todd Tongan, Local 10 News.